Hey, thank you all for watching the Brennan channel. Welcome back and Happy New Year. So the last episode we did was the custom shift knob, but we're going to have a new one or two coming out, how to make some different ones and have some fun with that. The block and rods and everything's been dropped off at the machine shop on December 30th. I'll be running out there next week, talk to them, see how it's going, what our options are, if we're still able to stay 40 over or go sleeve it, or we have to punch it 40 over. So we'll talk with them about that. But in the meantime, I'll show you some updates on some parts we've secured. As you're aware, we don't have a distributor, we don't have an intake, we don't have valve covers, we don't have a carburetor. So I'll show you what I picked up recently and also the cost. So we'll be keeping track of the total cost of this entire project. I do have some stuff I traded, some parts I've had for a while, so I'm going to calculate how much I had in the part that I traded and use that for the value to add it to the build. All right, in just a couple seconds, you'll see what we've got. Okay, first part we've secured here is an old school Moroso air cleaner. Paid 20 bucks for this thing, top and bottom. Still needs to see some better days. It's chrome, it's got some rust pitting, some rust through spots, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna strip this thing down and powder coat it, but you, the viewer, are gonna get to choose the color. So post up in the comments what color you think it should be, and whatever color has the highest comments by, let's say, end of February, I'll powder coat it that color. All right, up next after that is brand new chrome valve covers. These things have not been used as far as I can tell. There's no oil residue on the inside or anything else like that. Paid 20 bucks. Not a bad deal. So we got valve covers, we got an air cleaner. We're still needing a distributor, intake, and some other accessories kind of stuff, but we're gonna steal some parts off my car because I'll upgrade those and use those, but I'll calculate a realistic price for what those would be. All right, 1 second, I got some more stuff to show y'all. Okay, the next part I secured a while ago for a future project, but I think we're gonna put on this, is a 1964 four-barrel cast iron Ford intake. This would have been on your four-barrel Sprint Falcons, four-barrel Mustangs called the hypos. As you can see, we've got the C4 date for the, that's the casting. And we got our date down here, 4C24. That's going to be March 24th, 1964. So this could have been used in a 64.5 hypo Mustang. It would be the same parts. So now we have an intake. Okay, I got to calculate what I paid for this. I swapped a hydraulic cam and lifters from Howard's for it. And I just got to figure out what I paid years ago, many years ago, like 10 years ago. All right, hold on, we got more stuff. All right, this is another part I had procured probably 15 years ago. It's a Holley 650 double pumper. As you can see, there is no choke plate. And I think I paid either $50 or $100 on this one. I got the rebuild kit for it, except for the choke piece, but we'll worry about that later when it's time to get it closer to firing up. And I got something else to show y'all. Okay, next up I have here is an old Autolite 4100. I love these carburetors. They're dead simple to work on. See if we can get in here on the date. It's C5AFBV, so that's going to be a 65, and then the 112 right here. Let me show you what to look for. Right here it says it's 600 CFM carburetor. So this was a big block. It's not going to be a Mustang. It's a big block 600 CFM carburetor. So I've got a rebuild kit. Only issues with this we have is our little vent tube is broken off here. That's going to be fun to take care of. And the choke's not all there, but I should have the parts for all this stuff here. I got a couple bit things, but we're good. But I do have rebuild kits for this. I've got metal ones here. Most of your rebuild kits, when you get them, will be plastic. Ed Carburetors out there, he does make these out of the brass, of the metal. They look really sharp. If you can get one, get one. I've got 3 just in case. Rebuild kits on these are about 25 bucks. I've got 3 or 4 of them for like 12 bucks years ago. I said this carburetor about 15 years. I'm running another Autolite 4100, but I'm running the 477 CFM like the Mustangs did on it. So we'll show you that car a little later, but that's some parts we've got. Still need to get a distributor, and what I'm gonna do is I think we'll go to the wrecking yard, get a distributor, get the ignition box, the wiring, all the whole harness there. Probably gonna run me less than 50 bucks, go OEM stuff, you know, it's good quality of work. And that's it for the extra parts. Okay, everybody, thank you all for watching. If you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe. If you don't like what you're seeing, drop some comments. Let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I am not a filmographer. I'm not into filming. I am into doing stupid stuff, wrenching, having a really good time. I'll put the links up with the places I got, and next video I'll have the running totals of where we are with everything. I think my $1,000, $1,200 budget may be a little low, but we'll see. We'll know what the machine shop says. And this might turn into something completely different. I've got a Holman Moody Le Mans cam. I've got a set of heads that are ported and polished, competition by Valley Head, the guys that did the original Shelby race cars in the 60s. It's like 190, 160 valves. They're pretty. They're pretty. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Like I said, if not, drop me a comment. Let me know what you don't like about it. And y'all have a great night, and we'll chat later. Hopefully, a new video coming out in about 2 weeks. Thank you.